what's up? Today, we're gonna be unboxing this Johnny Lightning Import Heat GT cars, 2006 Nissan 350Z and 1981 Mazda RX-7. Before we do that, I'm just gonna read these facts. Actually, no, I'm not, because they're very small. Well, anyway, I'm gonna open them and then I'll show you the cars once I open them. Let's start with the Nissan 350Z, 2006. As you can see, it's number 57, Yokohama. It's got a big 57 on the top. It says L. Struber. It's probably a driver or something. I don't really know. Advan. It's got Advan here. Can't see on the tires, but the tires say Advan on the top, Yokohama on the bottom. And the license plate you also cannot tell, but it says Mean Z33, Michigan. So that's the Nissan 350Z. Next is the 1981 Mazda RX-7. Number 13, on that it says Mazda. This NGK, don't really know. Bridgestone. Tires don't say anything. They got like these tires are much thinner, as you can see. This license plate, I cannot really tell what that says. Yeah, number 13.